Hey Cam fam, welcome back to Keeping Up with Cam. Yes, today we finally have a new video for you guys. It is a new braided hairstyle video, but I am aware that you guys were asking for a how to braid tutorial type video, so I have incorporated that into this video. It is slowed down in a couple spots to show you guys just exactly how I do braid, and just give you guys a better understanding of how you can braid as well. For those of you who are new here, I do want to say thank you for choosing to watch this video. If you guys could hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video at the end of it if you enjoyed it, which I know you will. And leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let us know any questions that you have, any comments that you have. Just let us know if you like this video or not, as we love seeing comments. And we hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoy the outcome, and we will see you in the next one. So as you saw already, I actually added some olive oil to his hair because I'm doing this on 2-day-old hair. Washed his hair about 2 days ago. I just rather do it on dry hair than wet hair. It's because his hair coils up so much. It just makes it harder when his hair is wet and curly to get the hairstyle to stay properly. So I did put that olive oil on there. That's just to add moisture and help with detangling, instead of having to add water or add a moisturizer, which will then just turn the hair right back to curly. So after sectioning the hair into half, I'm now going to work on the back section. I'm splitting that into half as well, and then I'm going to split that into 4 in total. So each half is going to get 2. All right, let's get to the fun part. So you see here I have sections 1, 2, and 3. That's where I hold my hands, and that's how I start off the braid. So you're gonna section it off in the beginning. You can either use a comb to section it off, or you can just section off as I do with my hands already. So start with section 3. You're going to take it and go underneath the middle section, which is number 2. You're then going to grab that number 2, bring it back on the left side. You're going to go underneath and bring it back over to the right side. And that's essentially the same motion that you're going to keep doing over and over. As you do this motion, you're also grabbing a little bit of hair as you go, because at least that way you're able to build the braid as you go down the braiding shaft. So you're going to take the section that is on your right side, go underneath the middle, take it out on the left. Go from the left side, take it out under the middle, and come back up on the right side. So continuing on with the style, we have 4 braids going down the back of the head. The way that I parted it across, I did it a little bit high because for his hair it's a lot thinner at the ends, at the back, so I figured if I give him a little bit more from the middle, it'll thicken out the braids towards the end and it'll just have a little bit better of a look to it. So when you guys do it, you don't have to make your horizontal part so high. You could do it a little bit lower. All depends on the child's head, what you're comfortable with, but that's just a heads up on how I parted his hair. Take the hair on the right side. You're going to use your index finger to go through the middle section and get the hair onto the left side. Hold it down with your index finger on the right hand. Grab that new part of hair that came out with your left hand and cut through that middle again with your left index finger, getting yourself on top of the hair on the right side, and you're just going to repeat it. The basic gist is you're going to use your right index finger, go through the hair in the middle, go on top of the hair on the left, and hold it tight. You've now made a new loose piece of hair on the left side. You're going to grab that loose piece with your left index finger, cut through the new middle piece over to the right side. And now you've made a loose piece on the right side. So you're going to take the right index finger, cut through, go to the left, and you just keep repeating. And even though I'm doing this style on his hair straightened and dry, you can see that his ends are already curling up. They do not stay straight no matter what I do. I don't know what I need to do to be able to keep them straight, and I don't like putting rubber bands, but I don't have a choice, because if not, then it just unravels and it's a waste. So silly me, I didn't realize that I actually stopped recording when I was braiding this side, so I'm going to show you on the left side, which is not my usual, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So with this style, I'm doing a little bit of a design in the front, little abstract, make it up as I go type of thing. I am keeping it symmetrical, or attempting to, because then it's just a little bit easier to know what you're trying to do on each side, instead of just kind of going with the flow and not ending up with something that looks appealing. just combing all the hair over to one side to get the desired effect that I'm going for with this part of hair. Remember guys, the smaller the pieces of hair that you're taking as you braid down, the tighter and neater the braid will look. So don't take big pieces of hair when you're collecting as you braid down. Little pieces, it'll all add up, it'll all fit in, but the more little the piece of hair that you add in, the nicer the braid will look. Alrighty, and here is the finished product, you guys. We hope you enjoy this unisex hairstyle. Even though it has 2 rows of braids, it still suits either a boy or a girl. Not too complicated, not too hard. We hope you enjoy. Please let us know if you tried it, if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye!